How well do you know food? Test yourself in this ultimate food quiz. Let's start. Which country is the birthplace of sushi? Japan. What is the main ingredient in hummus? Chickpeas. Which cheese is traditionally used on pizza margherita? Mozzarella. What type of pasta is shaped like small rice grains? Orzo. Which nut is used to make marzipan? Almond. What gives turmeric its yellow color? Curcumin. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? Avocado. Which country invented French fries? Belgium. Which spice is the most expensive in the world? Saffron. Which food is traditionally eaten on Thanksgiving in the U.S.? Turkey. What is tofu made from? Soybeans. What is the Italian dessert made from layers of coffee-soaked biscuits and mascarpone? Tiramisu. Which fruit has the most vitamin C? Kiwi. What type of bread is used for a traditional Greek gyro? Pita. Which vegetable is used to make borscht? Beetroot. What is the main ingredient in falafel? Chickpeas. What is the Japanese dish, ramen? Noodle soup. Which fruit grows on a palm tree? Coconut. What is the national dish of Spain? Paella. Which ingredient makes bread rise? Yeast. Which drink contains the most caffeine? Coffee. Which fruit is dried to make prunes? Plum. Which country invented chocolate? Mexico. What is kombucha? Fermented tea. What is kimchi made from? Cabbage. Which food is high in omega-3 fatty acids? Salmon. Which country is famous for croissants? France. Which fruit is the base of a classic smoothie bowl? Banana. Which soft drink was originally green? Coca-Cola. What snack brand has a slogan, "Once you pop, you can't stop"? Pringles. Which soup is traditionally served cold? Gazpacho. Which country is the largest producer of olive oil? Spain. How did you do? Comment your score below. I'm curious how many you got right. Follow for more quizzes every day.